Our problem reads, find the volume of the cone, round your answer to the nearest tenth if necessary. So in order to solve this problem, we need the formula for the volume of a cone. So we need the volume of a cone. Cone shapes they're like pyramids, but they're rounded, they're circular. And what we know about cones is actually if you take a cone and you were to pour it into a cylinder of the same height, you'd find that it would take 3 cones to fill up 1 cylinder of equal height and radius. So what the formula is, it's essentially you're going to do 1/3 or dividing it by 3, like that, the formula for a cylinder. So the cylinder formula was pi r squared h, and these are all being multiplied. So essentially your steps are to find the cylinder, pi r squared h, then your last step is to divide it by 3 to get your final answer, okay? And we're gonna use the same formula, the same information that pi, we're always gonna approximate it as equal to 3.14. And so from there, we can plug 3.14, we need an R, and we need an H. So over to our cone, your R is this distance right here. It's pointing to the circular shape at the bottom, and it's from the center to the outside of that circle. So our R is equal to 6 feet. Our H is the height of that cone, which is 7 feet. With this information, we can now substitute all of these numbers into the formula. So what that's going to look like is instead of writing pi, you're going to write 3.14 times r squared. Our r was 6, so we're going to go 6 squared, and my h was 7 times 7, all divided by 3. Solve the top part of your equation first by starting with the 6 squared. So I'm going to do the 6 squared first. 6 squared means 6 times 6, so that's going to be 36. It's going to be 3.14 times 36 times 7 all over 3. Multiply everything on top. So get out your calculator right now, do 3.14 times 36 times 7 is equal to 791.28. But we still need to divide that by 3. Now this top number, that would be a cylinder. So if we had a cylinder with the same dimensions, so if we had a cylinder with the same dimensions of being 6 feet across and 7 feet high, that cylinder would be 791.28 feet cubed. This is a cone though, we need the answer for the cone. So now our last step is to divide this by 3. So we're gonna go 791.28 divided by 3, and you get the final answer of 263.76. Let's round to the nearest tenth. So we're gonna round to the 10th. That gets rounded up to an 8 because the number to the right is greater than 5. 5 or greater, you round up. Your final answer is 263.8 feet cubed. We write feet cubed at the end because this is a volume, and that's how you represent 3D shapes. Hopefully this helps. Have a wonderful day.